welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited for today's look because we're doing a prom makeup tutorial. Prom makeup tutorials are literally my favorite tutorials ever, just because I love prom. I love the whole idea of prom. I love the get ready process. I love feeling glamorous. So for those girls who are going to prom this year, you guys are definitely lucky. And yeah, I hope my tutorial inspires you guys to recreate it. And before we get right into the tutorial, I just wanted to say thank you guys for subscribing and making me hit 95k. That is such a huge deal for me, just because I'm closer to 100k. So please tell your friends, tell your mother, tell your cousin, tell your aunt to subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. But yeah guys, if you guys are interested in how I created this tutorial for prom, then please keep on watching. When you're going to prom and you're doing your own makeup, you want to make sure that you are priming your face and moisturizing your face. Those are two important steps that you cannot miss if you want your makeup to last long. So what I do is, for moisturizer today, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Hydra Renewal Moisturizer. I always want to look for like a good affordable, you know, drugstore moisturizer, just because I love the Clinique moisturizer, but it is a little pricey. So I wanted to try out something new, and then when I found this, I was super intrigued. And it's only $7.99, which is awesome. This moisturizer you can use as a primer as well. And then right after I apply my moisturizer, I'm going to be using my MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus, of course. I'm going to be setting my face also with the Too Faced Hangover Replenishing Primer. I love this primer. It's super hydrating and it's great, especially if you're using a full coverage foundation. I'm actually going to apply some foundation only on my forehead, because I want to do my brows and then my eyes and then the rest of my face, just because I am going to be working with pigments, shimmers, and I don't want my shimmer to fall on my foundation. So always keep that in mind. If you are applying glitter for prom, you want to make sure that you don't put on your foundation, because then you're going to have glitter all over your face and you won't be able to wipe it off, and you don't want to, you know, waste all that hard work you did on your face. So that's just a good tip. So for foundation today, I am going to be using the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. This foundation has been my life, honestly. I'm in the shade Golden Beige. I did do a brow tutorial, so I will leave that video linked down below if you guys want to know how I do my brows. Literally, it's the exact same thing, but the products did change. I'm going to be using the Benefit Percisely My Brow Pencil and the Kabrow. Okay guys, so I actually applied some concealer on my eyelids to prime for eyeshadow. You guys don't need like an actual eyeshadow primer. You can use your own concealer. For today's palette, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Natural Matte Eyeshadow Palette. This palette is so freaking pretty. Look at how pretty this is. Like, the packaging is insane. And the inside, let me tell you guys, this is literally matte eyeshadow heaven. To set my concealer, I'm actually going to be using the shade Heaven. I'm just using any big fluffy brush. This is the Morphe M504, and then I'm just going to apply that shade literally all over my lid. For our transition shade, we're going to be using this one right here. I actually do not know how to pronounce that. I know that says natural, but I don't want to pronounce the AU wrong. So now I'm going to be building up my crease, and I really want it to be very smoky. So I'm going to apply Sexpert. If it looks messy right now, don't worry girl, we're going to blend it. I'm just going to be placing that shade into the crease first, and then we're going to blend it. So it looks hella messy, I know, but I'm actually gonna go back in with the Morphe R38. So I'm going to be taking the shade Hookup, and I'm going to be applying this in my crease as well. If you get any eyeshadow on the lid, don't worry, because we're going to cover that with concealer. For today, I'm going to be creating the halo eye. So I'm going to be using the Tarte concealer. Taking the shade Sexpert, I'm going to be applying this on the outer corner of my eye and also the inner corner. So now I'm going to be taking the MEHRON Precious Gem Powder, and I'm going to be using the shade Champagne. And to apply it, I'm going to be mixing in some MEHRON mixing liquid just so I can get more pigmentation. To really enhance the MEHRON Precious Gem Powder, I'm going to use the Gabby Rose Makeup Pressed Eyeshadow in Sold Out. I applied my lashes off camera. The lashes I am using are the Cocoa Lashes in Girl About Town. So now that I finished my eyes, I'm going to be moving on to my face. Okay guys, so now for concealer, I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape, of course, because you need a full coverage concealer for prom. So once I blend out my concealer, I'm actually going to be cream contouring today. I'm using the MEHRON Contour and Highlight palette. And for today, I'm going to be using this shade down here, just to warm up my face a little bit. I'm going to be setting the concealer with the Too Faced Born This Way powder. Okay, so I'm taking the Morphe R10 brush and my Shade and Light Contour Kit by Kat Von D, and I'm using the middle shade just to set my contour. To bronze up my face, I'm going to be using the Urban Decay Beached Bronzer in Bronzed. This is actually a really pretty bronzer. So I'm actually going to dust off my setting powder. For blush, I'm actually going to use this little mini sample of the NARS Orgasm blush. And then I'm going to bake a little bit under my contour, just to clean it up a little bit. For my bottom lash line, I'm going to do the exact same order I applied my eyeshadows on my eyelids. And then in the waterline, I'm going to be applying the Urban Decay Eye Pencil in Pervision. For my bottom lashes, I'm going to be applying the Bad Gal Bang Benefit Mascara. This is legit my favorite mascara ever. It makes my lashes super long. I'm going to be applying the Laura Geller Gilded Honey Highlighter. I feel like I haven't used this highlighter in such a long time. For For lips, you can do lipstick, you can do liquid lipstick. I honestly advise you guys to do like a liquid lipstick just because it'll last longer. But if you do not like your lips to feel like drying, I would use like a lip gloss because you can always retouch it. I'm actually gonna use this lipstick. It is called Serpentine Beauty, and this is a company from Toronto. I actually discovered them at IMATS, and I think this lipstick is absolutely gorgeous. It's like a perfect nude for my lips. And I'm actually gonna line my lips using the MAC lip liner in Silhouette. Since we have such a dark lid, I think doing like a nude would be good. Their lipsticks are so creamy. And then on top of that, I'm actually going to apply a little bit of the Jouer lip gloss in Diamond Walk because this is literally one of my favorite lip glosses. Okay, oh my god, is this it? Yes. All right guys, so this is the final result. I really hope you guys enjoyed my prom makeup tutorial. This look is super smoky, but I feel like it'll be great for any dress color, and I hope you guys have a great time at your prom. And yeah guys, for those who are going to prom, I just want to congratulate you guys. That's it, high school is done. I really hope that you guys have a great and a bright future, and I wish you guys the best. If you guys are going to college, focus on yourself, okay? Focus on your grades and just get it done. Do not give up, because I know there's gonna be times where you feel like you're gonna give up, but I promise you, you're gonna be fine. And yeah, I just want to wish you guys the absolute best. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video.